latest tech. Don't look far, just step into StarHub. We're your mobile star. From the top brands to accessories galore, we've got what you need and so much more. StarHub Mobile, we're here for you, connecting your world, making dreams come true. Smartphones to gadgets, we got it all. StarHub Mobile, just give us a call. Our team's always ready, just give us a try. With smiles and support, we're your mobile ally. Whether you're browsing or buying a new phone, at StarHub Mobile, you're never alone. StarHub Mobile, we're here for you, connecting your world, making dreams come true. Smartphones to gadgets, we got it all. StarHub Mobile, just give us a call. Need repairs or advice? We're the ones to choose. With the best deals in town, you've got nothing to lose. From screen protectors to cases so fine, at StarHub Mobile, you'll do just fine. StarHub Mobile, we're here for you, connecting your world, making dreams come true. Smartphones to gadgets, we got it all. StarHub Mobile, just give us a call. So come on down, don't miss the thrill. At StarHub Mobile, we fit the bill for quality service and tech. That's right, we're StarHub Mobile, your mobile delight. I hope this helps. Let me know if you'd like any